It is Saturday night, our favorite night of the week. We love nothing better than sitting down, watching a good movie with Svengoolie, and having a great bowl of popcorn. And that's what we're going to do tonight. Thanks to our friends at Franklin's Gourmet Popcorn. They sent us their big picture popcorn maker and popcorn bundle. And we're very excited to get this out of the box and getting the kernels popping. So let's go, Amber. So Svengoolie, we'll put a link down in the description so you can figure out and see what he's all about. But Amber and I love old shows. Our favorite era is the 40s, old music. That's what we do. Our weekends consist of Rifleman, Wagon Train, Svengoolie. And Svengoolie shows old horror movies and sci-fi movies from 30s, 40s, 50s.
Yeah.
Even some from the 70s.
Yeah.
We've seen some, but mostly they're the original Frankenstein and stuff like that, and we just love it. We sit there. It starts in Central Florida. It starts at 8 o'clock on MeTv, and we have our popcorn. And Amber and I and Molly and Mickey sit down and have popcorn and watch Svengoolie. And that's what we're doing tonight with some great popcorn. Why don't you tell us a little bit about this popcorn, Amber?
So Franklin's Gourmet Popcorn was started by two guys who have worked in the popcorn industry for over 20 years. And they love popcorn, but they were not happy with what was available to consumers. They were always left disappointed by the microwave popcorn, the popcorn that you can pop at home. So they set out to make their own product and make it available so that people could enjoy true movie-style popcorn from their house. So we are so excited that they have reached out to us and sent this to us.
Very excited.
Yes. So the popper is assembled in the United States. It's been done that way since 1978. It has all metal gears, which is fantastic because a lot of the popcorn poppers that are the whirly pop design, they use plastic gears. And so these are all metal. And so it comes with a lifetime warranty with it, which is fantastic. It's made of a lightweight aluminum. And it is the original whirly pop style popcorn popper. So what's your thoughts on it, Sean?
I'm excited. I'm excited, and I'll tell you, this is how I remember, not with this, but we used to have, when I was a kid growing up, we used to have an electric popcorn popper that kind of did the same thing, but I loved putting the butter in there with the kernels while it was cooking, because to me that's the best way to get the best flavor. And so I'm very excited about this to get that great flavor, because yes, you don't get that with microwave popcorn, even though there's some good ones out there. It's just not the same.
So they're classic popcorn. They have two different varieties. They have the classic popcorn and they have the organic classic popcorn. We have the regular classic popcorn. Now, it's not just called classic because it's regular popcorn. It's called classic because that's the actual strain of popcorn that they use. It's named classic because it has a nostalgic taste to it, which takes you back to the early days of movie theater popcorn.
Takes you back to the 40s.
Now, this popcorn is grown on small family farms in Iowa and Missouri, and it's packaged in Wisconsin. It is non-GMO, which is really great. That's something that Sean and I always try to find, is non-GMO stuff. And now the butter-flavored coconut oil, now that, they say, is the secret to having movie theater style popcorn, is the coconut oil, which we never knew this.
No, no.
This is their own blend, coconut oil. It is vegan. It's also gluten-free. It has 0 trans fats, and there's no dye in it. So the color that you see is actually from beta carotene. And it can also be used to cook with, which is really cool. So they said you can cook meat with it. You can cook veggies, potatoes.
Oh, I didn't know that. That will be cool.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So Franklin's also sells the packets that come with the already portioned out popcorn salt, and the butter flavored coconut oil. So that's what we're actually going to use tonight is the pre-portion, so that we've already got our popcorn salt and everything measured out for us. A little bit about their popcorn salt. It has no artificial ingredients. That can also be used for cooking as well. And it is also vegan and gluten-free.
So Amber, how do we get started on this? First thing we need to do is clean our popcorn popper since we just put it out of the box. And then how do we get the popcorn going?
All right. So you're going to put it on the stove over medium heat for about 1 minute to start getting it heated up. Then you're going to add your coconut oil, and then add the popcorn and the butter flavored salt. Since we have the packet, we'll just go ahead and do that together. And then you let it sizzle in the kettle until you start to hear it pop. And then stir the corn until with the crank until you start hearing a few seconds between the pops. And that's when it's done. And then you just pour it in a bowl and enjoy movie night.
That's right. He's trying to escape. So go ahead and, there you go.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, man.
Molly, Mickey.
Molly.
Oh, got some popcorn. Molly, you better come get you some. It's Saturday night movie night, and Dad spilled the popcorn. That's okay. The kids said, Daddy, we got you back. We're going to clean it up for you. So, Amber, final thoughts on our Franklin's Gourmet Popcorn Popper.
Loved it. It was very easy to use. And it did a great job, and very few kernels were left unpopped.
I agree. The flavor's great.
Yes.
Hardly any kernels unpopped. Yes.
Molly and Mickey.
Molly and Mickey loved it.
Yes.
Quick and easy. Have this delivered to your house. You can make popcorn and have it ready to sit down within 15 minutes of opening it. Just because you're going to have to open it and wash it and everything first. But
The process
from popping
took
it,
6 minutes.
Yeah. It's great for a Saturday night movie. Great bowl of popcorn to have while you watch Svengoolie. Again, we'll have a link in the description for Svengoolie. We'll also have a link in the description for Franklin's popcorn and popcorn popper.
Check out their website because they have some great recipes on there for sweet and savory popcorn. We are definitely going to be trying some of those out.
Yes, we are. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And we want to thank you for watching and having a little popcorn with us, because everything's better together. Want a little popcorn, kiddo? What about you, Mommy? You want a little popcorn, Mommy? Oh, that missed.
Yeah.
Another one?
Well, that didn't even come close.
I know one that'll get there. Come here. Stealing the popcorn right out of my mouth.
That's right. Thank you.